We've got the winch all set up now. I just need to put a tensioner on this chain right here, which I've built the parts. I just need to put it on. But it's tight enough to where I can use it. I'm going to go ahead and raise it up. Yeah, it comes up slow, but how fast do you need it to go 3/4 of an inch when you're cutting a log? So I'm satisfied with it. Here's my up-down switch hooked to a battery. So I'll be making a battery box and all that, mounting it to the frame. Well, it works like I thought it would. Next thing is the axles. Get them all set up, and then the tires, wheels, bandsaw blade, get all that set up, and then the front of the wheel well. We got those made. I just need to mount them with a hinge. And then test it. It's getting close. Just can't believe how good the winch works. It's a really good way to do it. More to come.